For the fleet side of it, we service and maintain all the vehicles and the equipment on the vehicle. So everything you see on the vehicles is predominantly serviced in this workshop, whether it's by myself and our team or the equipment team, which is fitted next door to us. When a fire appliance comes to do a service, we put a reserve vehicle in its place, which is also maintained by ourselves. The equipment is maintained by ourselves. Yeah, so we have it for 2 weeks. We make sure it's all up together and legal and compliant, health and safety with the ministry, VOSA. And after that period, it goes back to the stations and the whole system is rolling on. We start at station 26, normally around January time, and then we're ending up around Lyme Regis December time for their annual service. And you can get thrown various curveballs of appliances breaking down, whether they're breaking down on incidents, or you can get firefighters ringing up for defects. It could be a simple thing of a headlight bulb gone, or it could be a bit more entertaining, as in some electrical fault, which is obviously needle in a haystack sort of thing. My team here, I could not fault them, and that's one of my enjoyments, is working with them, and the team ethic is really good. But if I've got a vehicle in here I try to get it back for the weekend. I've always got this thing of clearing the decks for the weekend. Yeah, it's rewarding when I've got an empty workshop on a Friday. You can go home to think, yeah, I can't do no more if you've got an empty workshop. I've got a policy here that it's even though I'm the workshop supervisor, I'm all open for ideas. So they can put ideas to me, and obviously if their ideas are better than mine, I'll roll with their ideas. It's a really good team to work with. I said I don't think I'd want to be part of another team. I think the fire service is second to none is looking after their employees, and that is one of the reasons why I probably came over. To be honest, it wasn't because I was coming over for the money, because the money wasn't no better than where I was, but for the benefits of joining the fire service, it was pension and how you're looked after. Like I said, it is second to none. I think it's when you've been in the fire service so long as I have, I think sometimes you just take it for granted. I know members of my family are really proud of what I do. So if I'm visiting around Dorset and I see a fire engine, obviously I wouldn't wave to the fire engine, but it's just knowing that truck's been through my workshop does give me the bit of pride of thinking that truck is being serviced by my guys in my workshops. I find it rewarding when I see a fire engine or appliance on the road doing its job, what it's paid to do, as in Joe Public can see it. I said that's one of the things that makes me proud, that my team here have obviously made that vehicle do what it should do to leave the appliance bay doors, as when the alerters go down, turn up a key, they're off and away. So yeah, that is a bit, but like I said, when my family are obviously proud of me of what I do, but like I said, it's not so much me feeling, oh, I work for the fire service, I'm really proud of it, but my thing is seeing the vehicle going down the run. That is my pride bit.